Hi, welcome back. Another important session for beginners. Okay, already who are there in real time, but their senses are not open. Okay, that is a big sentence, but still it is apt for this topic. Let's try to check what is the topic today. Even though painful task, you feel that it is a lot of pain inside your mind. Why we have to learn everything in English for SAP or any other software for that matters. That is the topic today. Okay, let's try to have a look around that. What are all the basic advantages if we learn something in English? Okay, why I'm doing this specific topic? Okay, if you really wanted to grow yourself in the market, see, I'm not very good at English, but I can manage. I can able to handle the client. I have a certain skills through industry and through closer colleagues and with the help of some good friend colleagues and good criticizing colleagues, my close friends. I have learned some skills I'm trying to shaping up. It's a day-to-day activity. So if you want to really improve yourself, learn everything in English. It's a global language. Okay. What is the pain you are getting? The pain will give fruits in future. Okay. So let's getting into the topic. Let's see all these advantages. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. It is holding very valuable content around 540 plus videos. It still grows. Please keep in touch with me if you have any doubts before getting into the real time. Okay, if you're looking for SAP SD, so I'm holding currently 4,000 plus students. My SD course 100 plus hours, including some YouTube tips also I have added, which is generally required for every student, and SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partner Concepts. If you're not yet introduced to S4, you try this course. And this is the one, if you are from any background, any SAP module, getting master to write functional specification. If you are not able to write your own functional specification, own business document, your own requirements, you will be in a troublesome situation. What sort of experience you have, how many years of experience you have, what kind of exposure you have in that your base module. Just subscribe this course and avoid your future mistakes before starting into the real time. Here I have given an example for SAP SD as a simple example. Everyone can understand. Here I explain different sections, how to gather the requirements and how you can able to gather the requirements for a certain report and how you can able to capture into the business document. I have given a template you can download, you can able to practice it. This is the template I have used in one of my projects in real time. Okay, so this is a secret. And SD complete pricing concepts, if you would like to have an expertise, you try this. And here I have explained that is basics, and this is take you to another level in standard for pricing. You subscribe this course, this is my highest rated course out of 5. 4.8 still rocking, and it is going to rock. You can see my FSCM integration, your SD settings move to FSCO, so that any FSCO consultants and SD consultants, someone who is handling SD with MM also, they can able to learn in S4 HANA. And rebates for real time, specifically I'm choosing this course, real time idoc training with 5 scenarios. I'm just providing all these links below of this video. And if you'd like to learn stock transfers S4 HANA 2020, 7009, 1610, 1909, and 2000, 2001, 2022 or 23. I don't know whether new release happened or not. Stock transfers is same across all levels. Okay, your BP integration comes into picture. For that only you have to do this practice actually. Okay, so SD business process I have captured here. If you want, you can try this also. So Now let's quickly getting into our topic. The first thing what it talks about. You can read this. You can learn terminology like sales order, OTC order to cash, purchase to pay, and third party sales, and condition exclusion, condition inclusion, material determination. So if you all these things, if you are learning in Hindi language, if you are trying to learn Telugu in Telugu language, if you try to learn Orissa, Orissa language, if you try to learn something Tamil language, so leave all your regional feelings at your home state. And I have utmost respect as an Indian for multilingual country, but it is very, very important when you are interacting with your client. If you don't learn this terminology, certain times it become like your subconscious practice with your regional language. Probably if you talk something wrong, it will be a problem in your real time. So try to develop skills. Then first, at least if you're not able to speak, try to listen the terminology, learn one by one. This is very, very important. This is the first and foremost. You'll miss the utilization and usage of terminology, and you will be at a task, okay, in real time. Not only this, and it will be useful in your interview board also. Okay, I've forgotten to add, interview, facing interview is very, very important before getting perform in real time. Interaction skills will improve. So like you're from Telugu, so SAP, they will call it as a software of Andhra Pradesh. It doesn't mean that only Telugu people won't be there. Okay, if you learn in SAP, you will be in troublesome situation. See, if you have fear, face it now. Let's see. That will go. Let it go. It will not give you the chance to perform. Okay, take the tension, take the pain now. Okay, I'm still taking a lot of pain. I'm having experience because I am not up to the mark. There is always a scope for your improvement day to day. Okay, interaction skills improve. You can talk to Hindi person if you're a Telugu person. If you're a Hindi person, you can talk to Orissa person or any other person or Karnataka person. So English is common benchmark to interact. Probably you might find in one project your regional language colleagues, but how about the clients? It's very difficult. Okay, so team building skills will improve if you learn English, if you try to learn the module in English. Okay, you can control the team. Certain times you become a team lead, then so if you try to give your language expressions to other person, he cannot able to understand. Tough time for you to leading the team. And controlling the client is very, very important. So 99% common language is English at the time of interacting with your clients. So they might not be very good at you at par what you are speaking. So like it's a language, it's a medium to communicate with your client, to understand what he wanted, what you wanted to give it to him, to keep them in comfortable position. So he required minimum simple English. Don't use uh, geopardy or else confusing language to impress them. They will confuse. They immediately say, "I did not understand." Okay, and we'll discuss how to speak also. Mutual benefit for you, your client and client engagement. Without that, you don't have life as a functional consultant. You can manage your meetings, right? Hands and forth, back to back meetings. Okay, work is less. Sometimes 50 to 70% meeting will be there. So then you learn something in now in Tamil language or Kannada language. You are not able to express. Very difficult. Probably you might manage your interview, but actual work, it's a tough time. You can learn when you start here interacting yourself on your practice in English. So it's easy. Okay, I'll give you some tips in future. You can manage your meetings and emails. Email reading also very, very important. It's a key actually. Global exposure, you can meet different peoples. Okay. If you learn this language, you can make and move with trends. Suppose, SAP SD, S4 HANA something happening. They, after getting some years of experience, they will try to send you to SAP yearly meeting or SAP, meetings will happen, right? Such a case, you have to go there and you have to listen what they're speaking in English and you have to capture it, including subtitles. You will come back to the industry, you have to give the demo and you have to give KT that I am not added. Knowledge transfer certain times if you are moving project to project, you cannot give in your regional language. So certain instances it happens, regional language interactive person will come, Telugu to Telugu, English to English, Hindi to Hindi, Orissa to Orissa, Tamil to Tamil, Malayalam to Malayalam, like that, any language for that matters. Such cases also, they don't agree you sometimes. He is a true professional, he would like to show his professionalism. So, what is mandatory? What is the gist of this discussion? Learn English. So, in my courses, how I am explaining, just try to imitate. Okay, so I started my course 3 years ago. Now it is 100 hours. I'm speaking. I'm learning. So I'm having more than 10 plus years of experience, but still till today, this video I'm learning. So at least try to give your thumbs up for English learning, your module. Try to read English books. Try to read English material. Okay. So regional instructors attracts you to take money from you 25,000, 30,000, 60,000. So if you understand them, then can he come and give interview on behalf of you? Can he come and try to help you out, what I would say, in real-time work? So he won't come, right? You have to help yourself. Fail, no problem. Attempt, try to give an attempt and fail, no issues. I am also giving now, right? Is it really helpful to you? Please give likes. Please give likes to my videos if you like it. Don't be calm. Be chill. Be shout. Be write comments if you want something really wanted to learn from me. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best for your careers and Jai Bharat. All the best, folks, professionals, students. Good night.